Hi there, I'm Alex Kerr from Blackwell Global, coming to you today's daily market update. Leading news stories from overnight was obviously the US markets, with FOMC taking the spotlight. Obviously, Yellen came out as usual being quite dovish, and the Fed has lowered its guidance going forward for interest rates from the end of 2015 from 1.1% to 0.6%. Now obviously this is a reason for this, and the reason for that is inflation, which is still a problem for the US economy going forward. Now it's likely with falling oil prices, inflation will still remain quite low for some time, and we don't see it pick up until at least June in terms of the prospect of an interest rate rise. However, there were strong rallies across all markets, and the USD selling was quite sharp as a result. Looking at oil obviously, and that had a big jump from there, as crude inventories rose to 9.62 million. However, FMC really did take the spotlight when it came to the push, as a weak US dollar led to a rally. However, long-term forecasts still point to below 30 as a possible bottom for the market. And looking at gold as well, that rallied sharply up to the $1,200 mark before touching its trendline and reversing, and it's likely we may see a pullback there today in further trading. Looking at the UK, and it had its unemployment data come out overnight, and it lifted unemployment rates as 5.7%. This is a bit of a shock to the market, and it still shows there's some struggles going on in the UK economy at home for them. And looking across at Canada, and it had its wholesales inventory data overnight, month to month was at negative 3.1%. That's no surprise to the market, as the Canadian economy has been struggling with the recent oil drops. And finally, looking across at New Zealand, and its GDP was a bit of a surprise year on year, coming in at 3.5%, so that's 0.1% above what the market expected. Now obviously the New Zealand economy has been a bit of a struggle lately, but it's still a little bit upbeat, probably more than most markets around the world. I'm Alex Kerr, and that's what we have time for today. Thank you for watching.